Alright, welcome back to the channel. I wasn't going to make a video about this, but I picked up one of these about a month ago and loving it every day. And we are still working on Camaro that's next, while another Jeep rolls by with its knobby tires. Don't worry, we're getting to this. We just got other life priority plans here. But this showed up in the mail and I thought it was actually pretty impressive for the price. I think it was like $100 and something, under $200. And I needed this for the truck. Nerf bar, sidestep, whatever it is, by I guess Tyger, whatever this name brand is. But I was really impressed. I thought I was going to get some junk bars, you know, whatever it is from your Amazon. Open up the box, I was super impressed. I don't know if it's metal, composite, fiberglass, whatever, but who cares? It's not going to rust. So we're going to go ahead and put this on and give you a peek, and a light too. They're nice. All right, let's get to it. Super easy. Look at that. Even though the brackets don't have anything marked, they're pretty simple as far as the layout and the pictures from the instructions. But proper threading, zero problems with that. Washer, then the bolt per instructions. Well, gotta love Amazon. Great price, good product, fit right for 2022 Nissan Frontier. What more can you ask for? It's not gonna rust. All the coatings on here are really good. The bracketry is super beefy. Bolts right in, comes with all the hardware. Less than 20 minutes to install. Yep,